Folk music or Nadan Paattukal is a term for musical folklore which originated in the 19th century. It has been defined in several ways as music transmitted by word of mouth, as music of the lower classes. It has been contrasted with commercial and classical styles. The term folk song or Nadan Paattukal covers a vast array of musical styles, but is most commonly used to refer to a narrative song that uses traditional melodies to speak on a particular topic. Often, topical folk songs address social and political issues such as war, work, and popular opinion. Many folk songs have been around so long that nobody is entirely sure who their composers were. Often, these songs are passed down within a community and they evolve over time to address the issues of the day. Such song includes We Shall Overcome and I Shall Not Be Moved, as well as other spirituals. Our Sabha always look at the current issues with great concern and actively initiate and participate to curb any social injustices. Today, our Sevika Sangam is singing a song which depicts a serious issue which carved out our society like a cancer. Let us all raise voice against it.
നോക്കി